Imagine having to say goodbye to a family member just because a newer model came out. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's the emotional dilemma we might face with humanoid home robots. Today, we're talking about an unexpected challenge in the future of home technology, the emotional bond with our humanoid robot assistants. Picture this: a human like robot that helps you daily, talks to you, keeps your house clean, and even looks after your kids. Sounds great, doesn't it? But here's the catch: what happens when it's time for an upgrade? Unlike smartphones or computers, we develop real connections with these robots. They're not just devices, they become part of our families. Kids might see them as siblings. Adults find patient listeners and reliable helpers in them. So when a new, more advanced model comes out, logically we should upgrade. But emotionally, that's a whole different story. It's like replacing a family member. Think about it. Many people today already form strong attachments to their cars. They name them, talk to them, and find it hard to part with them when it's time for a new one. Now imagine that connection with a robot that talks back, helps you daily, and shows empathy. But here's the million-dollar question: are robot companies aware of this emotional challenge? Will they be smart enough to build robots that can be upgraded over time rather than replaced entirely? Imagine if, instead of buying a completely new robot, you could just upgrade its parts and software. It would feel like your robot friend just got a makeover and learned new tricks rather than being replaced by a stranger. But will companies take this route? This approach could be a game changer. We'd keep our familiar, beloved helpers while still enjoying the latest tech. And companies? They'd build a base of fiercely loyal customers who stick with their brand for decades. Now, I would like to hear from you. Could you see yourself forming an emotional bond with a humanoid robot? Or do you think you'd always see it as just another appliance, no matter how advanced it becomes? Share your thoughts in the comments.